Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I am going to explain one of the most basic rules in photography called the rule of thirds. This rule is a guideline that helps you compose your photos to make them more interesting and appealing to the viewer. The rule of thirds states that you should divide your image into 9 equal parts, using 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. This creates a grid of 9 squares, and you should place your subject or the point of interest along one of the grid lines, or at the point the grid intersects. By placing your subject in the center square, you are leading your viewer's eyes to the subject much like a magnet. When you place your subject off-center, it creates a more interesting composition because now the viewer has to look for the subject. This creates a more engaging experience for the viewer because they have to do some work in interpreting the image. Why does this work? Because when we look at an image, our eyes naturally tend to go to the center of the frame. For example, the dog is placed in the center of the frame, and there is no sense of movement or action in the image. So now that you know the rule of thirds, you can start applying it to your own photography. Remember that this is just a guideline, and there are always exceptions to every rule. But by understanding the rule of thirds, you will be able to take your photography to the next level. If you want to learn more about photography, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.